Hey, it's James Foster 091. I'm just doing a little video on the hunter, I'm not sure what kind it is, in my brother's bedroom. Sorry about the stickers, he put them on there. So anyway, the model number is 705A/D. And I'll show you it on high first. Actually, I'll show you it on low first. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, there it is on low. Oh yeah, I'll turn on the light. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is with the light on. Turn the light off. Oh, wow. This thing circulates a great amount of air. I used to have one of these in my bedroom, but then I've already done a video on it. I replaced it with a Harbor Breeze Crosswinds, very good fan. So there's my puppy playing with my brother's underwear. So here is medium. There's medium. A little bit of a wobble. Not sure if you can see that, but it does wobble. I had to get up there the other day when Justin wasn't here and tighten the screws on his little light canopies because they were loose and they were just clicking. Yeah, there's medium. Okay, now I'm gonna get up there. Show high. Whoa, okay, I'm spinning. See, it wobbles. Wobbles quite a bit. Alrighty, and then one. Okay, here's high. Now, I've never been in his room when it's not on high, so it is always on high. So, it is always on high. And he practically never switches it around. So, yeah. And he has an off switch. So, that is the Hunter No Name. The model not the model number, but the model 705A/D. So, this is a Hunter. Thank you. Bye.